How to change Instagram grid back to square. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Instagram and click on your profile located at bottom right corner of your screen. Then simply click on the post you want to change grid of. Click on three dots located at top right corner of your screen. Then you'll find Adjust Preview, which is below Edit, and above View Insights, click on Adjust Preview. You can simply change grid to square by clicking on Fit. Click on Fit, and as you can see, the picture is now square. You can also adjust crop. If you're done doing square shape, simply click on tick mark on top right corner of your screen, and you're good to go. And this is how to change Instagram grid back to square. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.